Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur video background on CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to CapCut and we're going to make the background of this video blur. So the first thing we should do is click on this overlay, click on this effect option. Then click on video effect. Then you have to search for blur effect. Just tap on lens option right here. Then click on blur effect. Then don't forget to click on this check mark. Alright, after that we can adjust the length, guys. We can drag the effect like this to make the duration of this blur effect same with this video. Alright, after that we can click on this button, guys. Then click on overlay. Then choose add overlay right here. Then make sure that you import the same video as you imported before, and this is the video, guys. Just tap on the video. Then just tap on the video, then click on add to import this video to our project. Alright, and make sure that this second video has the same size with the previous video. Okay, after that we can scroll all the way to the right until we find CapCut option. It's right here, guys. And we're going to remove the background of this second video and choose remove background. Alright, and we gotta wait until 100%. Alright guys, and now the second video, the background of the second video has been removed, and we can click on this check mark. And as you can see that the background has been blurred, so we can check it. Let's play the video. Okay guys, that's how we can blur video background on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.